You sound suspicious. Guys, we want to go this air on that episode. This one is called False Alarm. So I'm guessing.
Stop! It's a false alarm! Wait till I get my hands on the kid.
Funny enough, this is the title. This is the name of the episode, False Alarm. So somebody's gotta get in trouble. I wonder, it's gonna be like a mystery episode? Probably. Gross. Why did he taste it? Wait, Eugene did it? But he don't got the thing on his hand. He don't got, I don't know if it's chocolate or what, but don't got it on his hands. But why would Eugene do it? Eugene's a nice kid, man. He's a nerd and clumsy, but I don't think he's a bully or a troublemaker.
Now, according to the bylaws of this school district, you can only be expelled after being found guilty by a jury of your student peers.
That's kind of stupid. Wouldn't that be that the teacher have to decide that and judge it? Why would you leave that power to the... That's guilty, guilty, guilty.
It's on the back, Madam Fortress Mommy.
Guilty and not guilty?
Come on, get this stuff out of the way.
Alright, who's the boss?
It's gonna be Arnold.
Helga, our votes are supposed to be secret. Yeah, right, Phoebe. Quit kidding around and change your vote so we can get out of here. I've got tickets to WrestleMania.
And I'm hungry.
Yeah, come on, let's get this over with.
It's gonna be Arnold.
Phoebe didn't vote not guilty. I did.
So you're telling me everybody else voted? See what I'm saying? It's stupid to let these kids be
No, really.
the juror.
I think there's reasonable doubt that Eugene pulled the fun. What's more important? Our petty little pleasures or making sure that our classmate gets a fair trial? We owe it to Eugene.
No.
Damn, I'm surprised even Phoebe and Gerald just don't really care.
Again, then we'll go through the evidence. Again. But if I miss WrestleMania, it's gonna be your butt. Harold, you start.
But I'm hungry.
Here's a banana.
So I'm guessing it's gonna be actually a mystery episode. I love this type of episode where they...
After lunch, it was all coming out of the cafeteria. Remember, because I just finished my third pudding pack and I wasn't as hungry as I usually
Get
am.
on with it, pink boy.
Right, okay.
I'm guessing she called him Pink Boy because he's resemble a pig.
Just before the fire alarm was she observified Eugene walking right by the fire alarm. It was at that moment that someone, unknown as to the rest of us, but definitely not me, you guys, pulled Squeaky's right pigtail hard, detracted. While as Squeaky was detracted,
Wait,
someone pulled the fire alarm.
Errol actually did it. He pulled the girl pigtail.
No one else but
He sounds suspicious.
better.
Let's talk about the evidence. I believe I took good notes on that, Helga. Then spill it, sister, and make it snappy. It's not every day that bloated Bill wrestles Haystack Calhoun, and I'm not gonna be. Well, we're young, please. I'm surrounded. Hurrying. In addition to the peanut butter evidence, a pair of eyeglasses were found a few feet from the scene of the crime. A few minutes after the fire.
Oh, the same glasses that we saw in Errol Vision, Errol backstory.
Glasses in question were discovered.
So he was actually wearing glasses for real.
Hey, these appear to be Eugene's. Look, everybody, Eugene's glasses! Boy, howdy, Eugene is gonna fry.
But the way we saw it, guys, we didn't see any of this. We only saw the principal walk to the closet. We didn't see any of this.
Were discovered next to the fire alarm. And since it was a Tuesday, and on Tuesdays Eugene has to wear his glasses because... To the footprints, Brainiac! Footprints were found leading up to the fire alarm and then into a nearby broom closet.
And there were just the principal alone. There was nobody else but the principal. Where all these other teachers come from?
A pencil stub with the word Wanky Man was found outside the broom closet.
I'm guessing we saw a quick version of when the principal found
First, Eugene is his
Eugene in the closet.
sin. Come on, Arnold. Peanut butter on the fire alarm, glasses on the floor, footprints from something. What more evidence do you need?
Dude, thank God Arnold is reasonable, man. Because if he wasn't, holy crap.
Exactly. What Geraldo here is trying to say is that Eugene was certainly
Geraldo.
the scene of the crime.
Helga, baby, put your feet up. I'll tell it. Now, I think admitted the above mentioned heinous crime.
Dude, they're making Eugene seem like a freaking psycho, man.
But he accidentally locked himself in.
Hello? Could someone please let me out?
And that's where the principal found him, about a minute later. So therefore, Arnold, we can go.
I don't think Eugene did it, man. Knowing Eugene from the couple episodes that I watched and remember him as a kid
From the scene.
from the few episodes I've watched, I don't remember Eugene being
Find Eugene locked in class.
a bad person.
Look, you guys, I'm not saying Eugene couldn't have done it. I'm
He's
just saying
clumsy, but I don't know.
What? Oh, come on, Arnold. Eugene's guilty 3 ways to Sunday. You know it, I know it, the American people know it. How can you possibly have any doubt?
I don't know it.
Hey, my version. Maybe when he was eating lunch, someone distracted him from his peanut butter sandwich.
Oh, so he was actually okay. He was actually eating peanut butter sandwich.
Later, when Eugene was going to class, he could have tripped, just like he does every day for one reason or another.
Wait a minute. Is that
Here, I'll help you.
Oh, thanks. Must have been a bump in the hallway there.
that look like
I can't see a
what's
thing
his name again?
else, of course.
No problem.
The shirt design kind of look like the guy that is. I don't remember his name.
See what I mean?
That kid with the glasses.
Evidence could have been set up. And
What's his name again?
evidence that couldn't possibly have come from Eugene.
And what evidence is that, head boy?
The Wanky Land pencil. Everyone knows Eugene.
Oh, he's the one.
Combined. And everyone knows
He's the one.
band last fall from Wanky Land when he tripped off the bandstand and caused the whole Thanksgiving Day parade to crash. Anyway, even though he loves Wanky Land, it's not like
This is
he
crazy,
hasn't been near there since. So why would Eugene have a Wanky
guys. And
Land?
weird enough, in Errol
Planet it out
vision,
in the broom closet.
we saw this kid smiling creepily at the wall, but I wasn't really thinking about it.
Someone.
Okay, I did it. I can
Wow, but why?
peanut butter. I made the shoe prints. I left
What's his name again, guys? I don't remember his
the
name.
crime.
But why, Curly?
Oh, Curly.
4 days ago, Eugene borrowed my favorite pencil, the pencil I got last summer at Winky Land. And then when he
So he did all of that for a freaking pencil?
and he sharpened it down to the middle.
This
part.
kid is insane.
I couldn't eat. All I could think about was Eugene writing with my pencil.
Dude, to frame someone for a pencil, what wouldn't he do?
Eugene sharpening.
He's nuts.
And then when he finally gives it back to me, he says, "Oh, here, Curly." Like it was no big deal. Well, just take that line down. Told you to stop.
Holy crap.
And see? The fire alarm. I pull it. And then I frame Eugene for the crime. All I needed to do was plant the right clues. The peanut butter, the glasses.
They came from.
Recent evidence and at the
Dude, sometimes you get some little edit clips. I don't even know where it's coming from, but good to see. Yeah, man, you guys were just gonna just sink
So you admit you pulled the fire alarm.
Eugene under the bus. Even Phoebe and Gerald. It's not even Gerald. Phoebe. She's supposed to be nice.
And I do it again, too. See?
Oh my dude, Curly is a maniac, man. This guy, Curly, was literally gonna let Eugene get detention or suspended for a freaking pencil, which he could literally just speak to Eugene about, dude, getting me a new pencil or something. But nope, he wanted to just get this guy suspended or kicked out of school, man. Kind of crazy, and it makes sense because the first clip, as I said, when I saw Errol was telling his story, Curly was at the wall looking so creepy. I was gonna mention something about it, like why is he smiling like that right there, but I didn't say